You are Malaysian, right?
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Tan.
Tan.
And yeah.
So these are the little cute babies. And this one, what's your name?
Zach.
Zach. Okay, all right. So this is your wife?
Yes, my
Okay,
wife, of
that's
course.
good. So how long have you been here? in
Myself,
Islam was
7 months.
7 months. So
Yeah.
you are staying, working here?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
working
Oh,
here.
wow, that's
Yeah,
good.
That's why I bring all my family here.
Oh, good. So you stay here?
Yeah.
Have you ever been in Sindh?
Which area?
Sindh
Not yet.
province, like Karachi.
Oh yeah, I was in Karachi.
You are in Karachi.
was in
so
Karachi.
That is a Sindh province.
I-
You are out here for a weekend.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah,
would you tell me something about the difference between Malaysian culture and the Pakistani culture? What is the good thing that you find here, and what is the something that wrong you find here?
I would say good thing. So,
Yeah.
Basically, I found Pakistani very friendly.
Yeah.
Alright, I think this is the good things that I liked. Everyone comes and very welcoming.
Okay.
Foreigner.
They
I
are
hope.
welcoming people.
Yes.
And what is a negative? Like, did you find anything negative here?
I think it's not because of the people, but the population is so much. So everything looks crowded for me.
Okay.
That's the only negative thing that I feel. So even though there's nothing wrong, but too crowded make you feel like it's an packed area. That's it.
So
yeah.
oh, that's fine.
Yes.
So if ever we visit in Malaysia,
Yes.
so what is a good thing that we're gonna find there?
I would say a little bit of the modern compares to Pakistan,
Okay.
and then another part is also an Islamic country, so
Okay,
you
yes.
can easily.
So
get
you are
good
a
food.
Muslim or?
Myself is not Muslim. We
Yeah,
are from
Buddhist.
Buddhism.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So you will be easily living in Malaysia.
Malaysia. So you speak Urdu?
Not yet.
Okay.
He will tell you some words and repeat after him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Could you say? Could you come in with us? Could you say something in our language, mother tongue, like it's a mother language?
Okay.
So this is her wife. And say that we love asa
Asa,
asa sindhin sa
Sindin Sa,
pyar
Piar,
kanda
Kanda,
ayu
Anyu,
asanju
Asanyu,
Asanyu.
asanju jk
Jeke,
JK.
Niananyu,
ahin
Ahin,
udadyu
Udadyu,
खूबसूरत आहिनि
Khubsuratain,
महिरबानी करे
Menebari Kane,
उन्हनि सां
Unansa,
पढ़णो
Parano,
कंदा
Kanda,
कयो
Keo.
ओके दैट्स गुड तो जिए सिंध जिए
Jie,
सिंध
Sin.
long live Sindh, that means long live Sindh.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
giving us time.
Thank you so much, sir.
YouTube or TikTok?
Yeah, it's a graduate idiot page. We are also on the Facebook as well and on the YouTube as well.
I see.
You're gonna
I
see like 2 or 3 days after.
Okay.
Thank you so much.